Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am cleaning the oven using just a few simple ingredients. So let's get started.
The cleaning supplies that I'm going to need to clean out the oven are going to be some white vinegar. This is actually cleaning vinegar. It was the first time that I saw this, so I bought this. And then some baking soda, and then also water. And these are the scrub pads that I will be using.
Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs.
So here I'm just adding the baking soda and the water and mixing those together, and I didn't think the 4 tablespoons of water was quite enough, so I went and added 2 more.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground.
Now I'm ready to start putting the baking soda mixture onto the oven. I'm doing some scrubbing, but I'm going to let this set overnight, and then tomorrow or the next day I will come in and wipe it up with just some water and do a little scrubbing then.
Hey guys, so this is the next day with the oven, and I'm going to just take a bowl of water with a scrub brush and wipe it out. But first I will spray some vinegar, and I put some vinegar in this bottle. It's just a bottle I had around. It's actually a Miss Myers bottle, and it works pretty good. I just took the label off so we would know it's vinegar, and I'm just gonna spray it in real quickly.
Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, the sky is falling down.
I just stopped scrubbing to show y'all this, how clear this glass is going to look. If you see, like, there was a food stain right here, and that's where I've scrubbed it off.
No telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
So now I'm just going to wipe up the baking soda and the water that was left behind, and also use some more vinegar spray just to kind of get anything that I might have left behind, and I'm just using some dry washcloths. I'm cleaning the racks to the oven with just a brush and the same scrubbing pad with some dish soap.
You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.
It looked like there was some food residue spots left, so I just wanted to see if any of it would come up with a razor blade.
Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down.